Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup from simple tomato sauce. First, gather your ingredients. 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, 4 cups of broth, and aromatics like 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Selecting a good quality tomato sauce is key for a rich base. Prepare your vegetables by dicing them finely, setting the stage for a flavorful start to your homemade soup. Now let's build those flavor layers. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your finely diced onion and garlic, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. This step is crucial for developing a deep, savory foundation. Then, pour in your 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, stirring it thoroughly with the cooked aromatics. Let this mixture simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Next, we'll transform our sauce into a true soup. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth into the pot, adjusting the amount to achieve your preferred consistency. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. This allows all the ingredients to fully combine and the flavors to deepen. Continue to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom and the soup is perfectly heated through. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to elevate your soup. For a wonderfully creamy texture, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or milk. This step is optional but highly recommended for a richer mouthfeel. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some fresh basil or parsley. Serve your warm, comforting homemade tomato soup, perhaps alongside a classic grilled cheese sandwich for a perfect meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.